Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Credential Manager error that an error occurred while performing this action followed by error code 0x80090345. That's the requested operation cannot be completed. The computer must be trusted for delegation and the current user account must be configured to allow delegation. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it guys. Click on as. Now after opening registry editor, you just need to check my video description for this file path location guys. You just need to copy it, and now in the URL page you just need to paste it guys. Right click on it and paste it. Press enter. And after pasting it, on right side you just need to, this will start with the df9 d8cd0. On right side on blank area you just need to select new, select devo 32-bit value and name this value as p capsulator guys, PROTECTION, p capsulator guys, POLICY, p capsulator PROTECTION, p capsulator POLICY. Press enter guys. Now double click on it and set this value data to 1 and select OK. And now you just need to go back guys, close it off here. For changes take effect, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.